Heidi here. Welcome to this year's summer lookbook. For this first outfit, I wanted a loosely fairy-inspired outfit, mainly because of the sleeves on this shrug. I do have a DIY video on this, so I will link that for those who want to see it. And the skirt as well is another DIY, for which I also have a video. And then the top I got from a charity shop. And this collar, another DIY that I made. I don't have a video for that, but I did include it in another video. I'll just link a DIY playlist down below. Tights and New Rock boots are from Depop, and the earrings were clearance from Claire's at Halloween. Wearing the same skirt and boots for this outfit, with the purple version of those black tights. The belt, long sleeve top, and long necklace are all from a charity shop. The choker was a Depop find that I had to modify slightly as the gemstone fell off because it was just glued on. So I flipped it over the other way around and sewed it on. I removed the little gemstone bit that was hanging from it so I could use that to sew it on. The Ann Summers bustier I found on Vinted, I think. Either Vinted or Depop, I can't quite remember which. The top and jeans are both charity shop finds that I made slight modifications to. The jeans I have a separate video for, and the top is in a compilation video. The sleeves, I did the tights into a top method. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube showing you how to turn tights into a top. I think Toxic Tears does a really good one. The cuffs and belt I made myself, just out of black plastic hardware and webbing, all sewn by hand. And the collar I bought off Etsy from a shop called Liquid Breed. The boots are more New Rocks, bought off Depop also. Went for a post-apocalyptic look this day. The top was made from butchering a leather jacket that I got given. Used lots and lots of bits on that. I included it in my post-apocalyptic DIY video. Shorts are also a DIY, originally bought from a charity shop. And I actually used a black plastic bin bag on that with lots of studs and machine sewing. The boots you've seen and the tights, just made some holes in, added a few safety pins. Can't remember where they're from originally. And then the top was a t-shirt that I cut into loads and loads of strips and re-tied together a few times here and there. And the earring I made myself, and the collar I knitted and made myself too. Here are the only white shoes that I own. They're by Jeffrey Campbell. I bought them on Depop. And then this shawl I bought in a charity shop, along with the shorts. And then the top is by Damage, which I bought as a set second-hand off Depop. The collar I made myself. This was my birthday outfit for this year. The top and skirt are made entirely from scratch by me, out of lots of scraps of fabric. And then this vest is a charity shop find cardigan that I cut the sleeves off. The boot covers are a cut-up pair of old leggings. The boots you've seen already, and this male collar I bought at Wave Gothic Ref in 2017 when I visited for the first time. The ring I found for 10p in a charity shop. And as my main birthday present, I'd had my navel piercing done the day before. I felt this outfit deserved to be filmed under a bridge, so here we are. The trousers I got off Depop. They were a size too small, which I knew they would be, so I came up with a method of making them a size bigger. I only needed to add a few extra inches in the back, and my method actually worked really well, so I'm happy with that. This amazing Cyberdog top I also found on Depop, and then the shrug was another charity shop DIY. It was a full-length top with some rather strange patches on it, so I cut off all the patches and chopped it into a shrug. The collar is another webbing and plastic creation, which I am also wearing here. The headband I found on Vinted. The top I also think was Vinted, if not then another Depop one. And these shorts are ancient jeans from Primark that I've had since I was about 14, and they have recently been turned into shorts. The bracelet I made to be a collar, but I just wrapped it round my wrist twice and wore it on there instead. And the earrings I made as well. Here is an outfit from our holiday to Cornwall. That behind me is a chapel that we went and visited. The dress is from a charity shop. The skirt underneath is the same one that you've seen already twice. And the bralette is a velvet bralette that I found again in a charity shop. I made the choker, and the necklace is another charity shop find. This bit of concrete behind the chapel was a World War II edition, probably for some gun placements. I really loved how ethereal this outfit was. The slip dress I found in a charity shop and DIY'd. The cape is another charity shop find. I think it's probably one of those skirts that you wear in ballet. Another outfit from our Cornwall trip. This skirt I bought at Mera, which we went to this year. If you haven't seen the vlog yet, I will link it below for you. I am wearing shorts underneath it because it doesn't cover everything. And the top is a charity shop find that I've had for many, many years now. The chain choker is another liquid breed jewellery piece. And the rune necklace is from a Viking museum in York. Of course, I missed doing a background for one vertical clip. So this dress is from a charity shop. The belt is the one you've seen before that I made, but I've adjusted it so it fits my waist, and I've added a few extra bits to it. I found this Disturbia bag second hand on eBay, and these tights I DIY'd by cutting them off and reattaching them with safety pins. For the final outfit, the skirt and long sleeve top you've already seen, and the top layered over is from a charity shop, which I cropped slightly. The velvet boots I bought recently in a charity shop, and the boot covers are the same ones you saw for my birthday outfit, but they're pulled down slightly over the shoes.